Science Time with Naomi and Alexa.
This week on our show, we are going to explain to you all about Newton's 3 laws. We are going to tell you about the laws with something as simple as a longboard. So get ready, here we go!
The first law says that objects at rest will stay at rest, and objects in motion will stay in motion, unless acted upon by an outside force. Here we see the longboard is still, but when we move it and add force, it will roll. We can stop it from rolling if we add another external force, and then it will stay still.
Now we have Newton's second law, which states that an object's acceleration is based on its mass and the amount of force exerted on it. Force equals mass times acceleration. This can be kind of tricky, so listen very closely.
Now watch as Naomi pushes the longboard. Now she's going to push it with me standing on it. The force she exerts is the same, but the acceleration is a lot less because of the change in mass. I should probably lay off on those cookies.
Now we have Newton's third law. This states that for every action, there is an opposite and equal reaction.
We can see this in 2 ways. First, Naomi and I pushing on the longboard. We are pushing with the same amount of force, so it's not going in either direction. We can also see this with Naomi standing on the longboard, but then she falls off. She falls forward, but the longboard rolls backwards, and that is an example of the opposite reaction.
Now let's review all that we've learned. The first law is that an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion, unless an opposite force acts on it. The second law is that force equals mass times acceleration. And our third law is that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
Now that you understand the 3 laws, you will see them everywhere. Keep your eyes peeled for the 3 laws in action in your everyday life, and let us know where you've seen them throughout the day. We hope you were able to learn just a little bit about Newton's 3 laws. We look forward to seeing you next week on Science Time. With Alexa and Naomi.
We're going to. It's your turn.
No.
The second law is that force equals mass.
We hope you were able to learn just a little bit about the different laws.
Why are you laughing? Focus. This says that wait.
Don't. Watch as Naomi pushes the longboard. Sorry.
Come on, stop the hand.
Because of the law.
I don't know what to do with my hand.
It's okay. Just be natural. Okay, ready? Don't forget, listen carefully.